Well, market volatility, though, now impacting the luxury watch market, according to a recent note from Morgan Stanley. Yahoo Finance's Pras Subramanian and watch connoisseur is here with the latest. So, Pras, what do we need to know?
Yeah, Rochelle, as you can't actually buy these watches in stores, you can actually buy them online in the secondhand market, and that's where they're sort of getting smoked right now from a price point of view. The big three, Rolex, Patek Philippe, and AP, they account for about 70% of the market. You're seeing their prices down at least 8%. The Rolex Daytona down 21%, right? This has dealers and sort of people that collect watches have been flooding the market recently, trying to sell these Rolexes and APs and things like that as their values had kind of shot up. Now we're seeing a weakening macro environment. People are trying to sell into that, and that's going to see these prices come down a lot. I do want to say though that watches as an asset are up compared to the market since January 2021, compared to the S&P 500, and also compared to Bitcoin. So you still have some value there, but right now into Q4 especially, we're going to see these prices come down dramatically, according to Morgan Stanley.
Luxury shopping market has shown very little demand destruction. I assume the retail market is healthy. And is there, never had a Rolex watch, is there like a StockX GOAT as there is for sneakers? Where do you buy these?
There's sites like Bob's Watches and others that do sell these watches secondhand.
Verify their authenticity and things of the like. Okay.
Chrono, I think Chrono 24 also. So these actually they take in the stock, they verify it, and they sell it. And those guys are seeing their sort of stock of watches sort of skyrocket right now. So that's why we're seeing these prices right here. Rolex down 8%, Patek down 8%, which is kind of dramatic in the last quarter or so.
Pras, when you see a move like this, I mean, lots of questions about what this market's going to look like a quarter, maybe 2 quarters from now. When you see this drop today, is this something that they see as a new normal, do you think?
I think it has to be. There was such a run-up, especially in the Bitcoin kind of craze. These watches got so much. I mean, the Rolex Daytona is like average price $30,000. You could buy it if you could find it retail for like 13. So that's why we're seeing these corrections happening. Probably will come closer back to retail. I mean, why should the secondhand market be way more than retail? It's just it's out of control.
Yeah.
We saw that with used cars for a while, right? Like people were returning their leased cars, they were selling over the price.
I do want to say one thing. I was on vacation recently at the Rome airport at the Rolex. I walked in just to see what's going on. They had watches on display. Can't buy. You can try them on, but you can't buy them. They're just display watches.
Wow.
I don't get it.
No supply.
Wow.
Were you going to buy one if you could?
No, God.
He's already got one. Pras, thank you. Have a good weekend, my friend. Appreciate that.